So Bangladesh won the second test match against the West Indies to share the spoils in their two-match series, which is probably a true reflection of the closeness of the quality of the two teams, which in and of itself reflects where we are in West Indies cricket right now. It was an interesting and entertaining series though. Just a pity that Jamaicans and Caribbean fans generally don't go out and watch Test cricket anymore to create that atmosphere and buzz that we had before. Now, in that regard, West Indies need a batting star specifically. Nothing fills cricket stadia more than an exciting star batsman. And as bad as things be, we have a few star batsmen in T20 cricket, Shea Hope and Nicholas Pooran and Shimron Hetmyer. But if we want to mount some semblance of a revival in Test cricket, we need at least one star batsman. And guess what? Craig Brathwaite is not that guy.